Please be advised that the views and opinions of the host and guests do not reflect those of the station, the management, and its network.
Ayan, welcome back to Millennial TV. And then the question doon sa,
Yeah.
bago tayo nag-break kanina, ano yung, ano ba?
Na-distract siya eh.
Hindi.
Mga questions galing
Yeah,
sa
from-
social media.
Correct.
Ayan, babasahin natin.
I
Okay.
think yung kaninang isa sa mga questions na nasabi mo kanina is, ano yun? How do you improve?
Ito pa.
Ano,
Ayan.
have you ever stopped being friends?
Ayun, yun nga.
with someone because of their unusual or bad or annoying behavior.
I remember this ko. Like, ako kasi, di ba, sabi ko nga, if I like you hard.
Yes.
Like, parang even as a friend, like, parang I would usually, for example, if you feel down, I would send food, o kaya naman, for example, may organized na night out, I would invite. Na parang gano'n, parang I will always like, oh, do you wanna hang out? Mga ganyan-ganyan. And then biglang, ano yun, sometimes you ask them, and then yung nga, hindi na nga magre-reply, and then minsan kinabukasan, mag-message pa ng, parang, some people without gratitude, yun yung mga naiinis ako. Some people who don't know how to apologize when they're wrong, inis ako dyan ganyan. I'm very sensitive kapag alam ko na parang, the same energy is not being,
Reciprocated.
it's not reciprocated. Especially if, I'm very, very warm. For example, ganyan. Like, for example, I always put you first, ganyan. Tapos, pag hindi siya nababalik, parang iniisip ko, I know my worth, I know my value. Parang eventually, parang, one time, I remember chatting with someone. Ito naman, hindi man to friend, parang gano'n. Sabi niya lang sa akin, oh, kumusta ka? Parang after ilang weeks of ghosting, tanong ng kumusta ka? Kasi parang I'm always the one initiating the conversation. Diba? Kumusta ka? Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko, I'm suffering from back pain. Kala niya kasi, di ba, I have scoliosis. So parang akala niya, oh, kumusta na? Ganyan. Sabi ko, no, from carrying this conversation.
I love
Grabe yung
that.
clap back.
Parang hindi niya pa rin nag-gets. Parang hindi pa rin siya nag-sorry or whatever. So, I hate
Nakakatawa. Wait,
people
so
who
sinabi
don't-
mo talaga sa
Yeah,
kanya?
I hate people who don't have remorse. Number one. Or very insensitive. Kasi parang, di ba, parang, so, sometimes you just get that eh. Parang they just don't acknowledge na parang
Yes.
they've done you wrong or something and they're not even going to apologize. And I mean, to move on without getting the apology that you deserve or whatever like that is power. Kasi parang that's the closure that you need eh. How you are treated is the closure that you need. That's it. So that's it lang. Yung akin, when it comes to mga friendships or mga romantic relationships, yung mga pet peeve ko, if I feel na parang yung effort ko ay hindi siya na ma-match, at least ma-match eh. Kahit hindi na ma-exceed. Pero pag hindi na ma-match, bibigyan ko to ng deadline. By next week, tas ganito pa rin yung tone, ganito pa rin yan.
Ang bait mo, at least ikaw may deadline
Oh,
pa.
I put ultimatum kasi inisip ko na naman, maybe there's something pa na I have to prove. Or parang maybe this person is testing me. Minsan ginagasay ko pa
Bibigyan
nga
ako
sarili
ng
ko
benefit
eh.
of the doubt.
Hindi, kasi this is the mantra that I always tell myself so that I won't feel bad whenever feeling ko hindi ako nakaka-receive ng same
nice.
Kasi I would always tell myself na parang people treat you the way they feel about you. Kasi nga diba, if I like you or if I see you na parang genuine or whatever, I treat you better.
Yes.
Pag if they don't see me na parang may add value sa life nila or maybe I'm just nobody to them or whatever, that's how they treat me. So that's beyond my control. What I'm gonna do, change myself, beg them, chase them, what's the point? I mean, I'm too
Ayan na,
busy.
nagiging ano
So,
na,
Ayan na yung strong personality
Yes.
niya.
that's just me nga. So I mean for a lot of people then na parang do not let anyone make you feel na parang you're not good enough for anything.
Yes.
So
Even sa
that's
friendship.
just a pet peeve that I have with people in general. Kahit even relatives yung parang they would just knock on your door when they need something and then parang when you're going through stuff tapos during that time hindi ka rin naman nakarinig sa kanila ng support.
Yeah.
So it applies to anything, yung mga ganyan.
Hindi ko alam, hindi confirm niyo, pero I think it's easier for our generation to cut off people. Parang ganun na tayo ka-strong in this generation. Kasi parang ako din, I've cut off a lot of friends dahil sa, yun din, kung paano nila hindi ma-reciprocate yung energy ko. It's not that kailangan nating mag-intay ng kapalit eh.
True.
It's something na parang kasi, yung energy kasi na binibigay natin, kailangan din natin ma-feel na we're valued. Na
Correct.
na-appreciate tayo. Yung appreciation lang, it's super easy. And hindi ko na din na-mention kanina na one of my pet peeves ay yung friendship na may insecurity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi parang sa akin, pag friends tayo, we don't have to compete. Parang hindi mo kailangan i-compare yung life mo with my
Yeah.
life. And my life has nothing to do with you. Parang ayoko kasi yung pag nagkakwento ako nga, ganito nga
yeah,
yun eh.
correct,
Ako nga, mas mahirap yung pinagdaanan ko. It's not the depth of the pain and the situation. It's how I carry it. So parang pag nag-open up ako sa'yo, mahirap yun for me. So parang yung mga friends na nakikita ako as competition or yung makikita mo talaga na pasimpleng insecure, nag-check lang sa'yo to check na, ay, pantay ba kami ng ina-achieve in life?
Yeah.
Ay,
Cut off
that's
talaga
so
sa akin yung ganon. So
nice.
parang, trinay ko naman, there is this one friendship na trinay ko naman sabihin sa kanya na I feel this way, I think medyo nagkakaroon ng ganito yung nafe-feel ko about our friendship.
Yeah.
Pero pag hindi talaga tumigil, yun din parang si Amy, inuubos ko muna yung sarili ko bago ko i-cut off yung mga tao. Para rin kapag ka-cut off ko sila, walang regrets on
True,
my
true,
part.
true.
Sinasabi ko na, okay, I gave my all. Kahit friendship to, hindi relationship.
True.
I gave my all. So kapag hindi na-reciprocate yung energy and kung
Yeah.
paano kita tinitreat, hindi sa akin yung mali. Kasi, yung aminin mo, bago tayo magkaroon ng gantong power na i-cut off yung people, it took a lot of
Correct.
time, of experiences,
You've given them
Yes.
chances, opportunities
of pain,
to redeem.
of,
Yeah.
oo,
Many
of
energies.
heartbreak. Kaya parang, para maging ganito tayo ka-strong na kaya nating mag-cut off ng friendship just because we don't like how they treat us or how they act towards us. It's something that is very strong kasi para i-cut off kita,
True.
na sobrang loving ako, giver
Oo,
ako,
yeah,
di ba?
yeah.
So,
I think that yun talaga yung self-respect and self-love, di ba? To take care of your mental health. Tsaka sayang yung energy na binubuhos mo. You could have just, invest that to someone who's reciprocal.
yes, someone who deserves it.
Yeah. How about you, Yulabay?
Feeling, sa akin naman, hindi rin naman siya paano ba? Hindi siya nag-aalaw sa friendship na may isa akong friend, okay, ang lakas niya parang siyang chain smoker.
Smoker, yeah.
Hindi niya nire-respect yung,
Correct, yung
surroundings,
space, correct, yeah.
yung space ko. And then, may isang beses na may bata. Doon ako na-trigger. As in, alam mo yun, yung
Oo,
pasabog
yeah, yeah.
siya
Tapos katabi mo
oo.
lang.
Then, yun na, sinabihan ko siya na hindi maganda, na parang, na-trigger na ako. So, siguro, na-took niya yun as pangit. Na,
Okay.
So, hindi niya ako kinausap. So, after that, okay, kinut off ko na siya.
Yeah, true.
Pero, bumalik siya sa akin, nag-sorry siya, ganito, ganyan. Pero nakita ko, ginawa niya na naman. So, ayun, hindi ko na siya masyado nakaka-bond. And then, hindi rin to about friends. Sa family din, nagka-cut off din ako. Kasi yung mga toxic na, kunyari mga aunties,
Yeah,
ganyan, na
correct.
parang laging nanonotice na di maganda yung ganito, or kaya ang dami mong sinasabi na hindi mo naman,
Unsolicited
hindi ko kailangan
comments.
yung energy mo na ganyan. I'm only allowing positive energy.
Kumbaga,
yun
puro
yung
mali yung
wini-welcome
nakikita
ko.
sa'yo.
Oo, at saka hindi siya nakakatulong sa pag-grow ko. So, inaalis ko na sila.
and it's okay to cut off family, ha?
Super,
It's
Yeah.
okay to cut.
super okay lang.
Yeah. And it takes, rin kasi, privilege din. Sabi ko nga, a lot of people who are still dependent on their parents, sounds toxic. Sometimes wala silang
Totoo
choice.
yan.
They don't have
My
any
gosh.
escape. You
So
have to
hard.
bite your tongue and suck it up until you graduate, until you can actually just move on and leave. Kasi, like, sometimes you talk to them or sometimes you really rant. Pero kapag, if it's going to be a pattern and they're very
Gosh, that's
abusive,
so true.
yeah. I mean, what else can we do, di ba? Like, parang, ayaw mo naman na, tas lumabas ka, tas babalik ka lang din ulit. Alam mo yun?
Yes.
Yung mga ganun, parang feeling ko, hindi kakayanin ng pride ko yun.
Oo,
Alis-
kaya
alis ka
kailangan
rin, tas-
patapangan talaga ng
Yeah.
personality. eh.
I mean, ako parang words in, words out.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n. Kaya
Yun.
naman just focus on, and then find family elsewhere. Okay? Parang just use them. Just milk your parents for the tuition fee, for the allowance. But,
Then leave.
you can always find your family elsewhere. Yun nga. Pero sabi ko nga, always give it a try. Mag-ano kayo, moment kayo sa bahay. pagod na ako. Maybe it will
Baka
work,
may
but you know,
chance
for
pa.
for some parents kasi talaga na narcissistic yung at saka they've been through traumatic parenting din nung sa generation nila. So kaya ganun. Kaya nga yung sabi ko, make the cycle end with you. Kasi kapag yung generational trauma na papasa-pasa siya, kaya naging ganun sila kasi ganun din sila trinate ng parents nila, ganun din ka-strict sa kanila, ganun din sa kanila ka very abusive, verbally, physically, ganun. Napapasa nga nila yun sa inyo. So, make sure that it will stop with you. Diba? So, isa ba, Chris? Ano pa yung mga parang feeling mo ng
Yung sa friends ba?
mga ganyan, mga
May
issues?
kinot off ka na
usually?
din ba?
Meron. Nung high school ako, naalala ko. Kasi meron akong kaklase na lagi nag-i-invite na uminom.
Mm-mm.
So, sinabi ko na yun sa kanila once na hindi ako uminom.
Na hindi ka uminom,
Tapos,
yeah.
pinagbigyan ko sila isang beses. So, expect nila na pagpunta ko doon, hindi ako iinom. So, nangyari, kain lang ako. Tapos mamaya-maya, nilalayo sa akin yung pagkain. Di ba? So, once lang yun nangyari, hindi na nauna.
Yeah.
Siya
hindi
yung
ka
nasa
nakuha.
group of circle nyo na hindi umiinom, tapos tinitease nyo na, huwag ka kumain.
yun.
Hindi ka,
Peer pressure.
hindi ka umiinom.
Sa amin okay lang. I mean, I admire people who don't drink. Me, I admire people. Parang akin, grabe yung self-control. Tsaka grabe yung parang ano nila, yung discipline.
You admire them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love people who don't drink.
As a party,
Nagulat na ako.
Diba?
Wait lang wait
Oh,
lang.
before ako late bloomer ako sa Walwal. Kasi 2018 na ako
Same.
nag-start talaga maganyan. Kasi when I was like working, naging breadwinner ako, di ba? Nalulugi ako. I don't spend on my vices. Usually talaga yung mga ano niyan. I remember pa noon when I was still working in the call center. So usually, di ba, meron kaming sunrise beer na parang after shift, we would go to different bars sa open pa and then drink.
Then,
Since I don't drink, tsaka parang hinayang nga ako. I would just
Parang di ako
order
naniniwala.
orange juice or pineapple juice that time.
that time.
That time, pineapple juice lang. And di ba usually nga they would order bucket, may mga pulutan pa sila. I don't even eat kasi nga parang ito lang pineapple juice and then uwi na ako after. Kasi nga hindi ko nagigets yung parang inom-inom na after shift. So syempre maghahatian na, di ba? So usually 300 ganyan. Ako talaga binayaran ko talaga pineapple juice. Tapos parang they were like all gagging na sabi nila parang grabe ang kuripot ko daw. Parang iniisip ko. Parang I don't get it. Hindi naman ako nakainom dun sa anak ninyo. Yung mga ganyan. The last thing kasi na ayoko nagiging argument is pere. Yung parang akin, I can be generous na parang okay, half of this, akin na like, if it's going to be my birthday
nakaka-cringe.
celebration, ganyan. Cringe talaga yung mga tao na parang they would like really compute and then try to do that.
Sa totoo lang. Pero jokes aside yung mga friends din na nire-respect yung mga ganyan
Oh,
na hindi
yeah.
umiinom.
Mm-mm.
Ako, super lucky ako before nung hindi pa ako talaga umiinom. Super lucky ako na yung mga group of friends ko dahil alam nga nila na hindi ako umiinom. Yung sila pa yung nag-i-initiate na, huy, bili kayo ng ganito kasi hindi umiinom
Oo,
si
yeah.
Jazz.
Mocktails,
Diba?
o kaya bilang kanila ng juice, o kaya they would ask kung for example, hindi ka smoker, parang they would really consider na parang leave or move away, gano'n.
Kasi ako naman before, nung di pa ako umiinom, ang habol ko doon, yung bond yung time
True,
together.
true.
So, para nandun yung presence ko, parang that's
Yeah.
something na. So, I respect those kinds of friends. So, sana, pagka ganun.
Oh, what are your thoughts about the statement daw na parang no offense man, tapos after nun may offensive statement? Parang may
Ay, naku,
disclaimer.
Oh my gosh,
Red flag
kapagod.
sa akin yan.
Oo, ako din.
No offense man, tapos bilang no offense man pero ano ka kasi ganito.
Oo, yan yung, actually, pagka sinabi sa'yo na no offense, after
Right.
nun, ang
It's
kasunod
going to
na
be an
nun, yun
offensive
yung
statement.
pinaka-painful. Oo,
Kaya
na-
just saying, yung mga ganyan, parang, parang hindi siya ma-change. Ako nga, sabi ko nga, be direct to the point.
Oo.
Na, parang I would appreciate people who could just be honest with you, na parang, oy, pero kasi, make sure that your tone is in a friendly, in a,
Yes.
parang manner na parang, it
Polite.
comes from a place of concern. Like,
Yes,
hindi na
the way
parang,
you say it then.
oo, not mocking them na parang, for example, Chris, ano ba yung kahapon, yung ganito ginawa mo, parang ganyan. Sometimes, imbis na yung message sa kanya is parang ma-appreciate niya. Ano nangyari, parang it creates a wall nga between you eh. Kasi iniisip niya parang judgmental ka. So parang, maybe start with, pwedeng sandwich approach na parang, okay, acknowledge muna na parang the good things. Parang that's how you usually give feedback din naman eh. Parang yun, I love na parang yung kahapon na pagdating mo parang you're like this na parang you're the life of the party pero kasi parang but I noticed na parang some people are not comfortable with what you said, na parang ganyan.
Yeah, that's
Yun lang, yung parang ganun lang. But all in all, just you are such a good girl. Parang, sometimes you just use it like that, na parang kasi, kapag in-start mo na siya, parang, uy, kahapon, ang loud mo, kaya ganyan.
ang pangit na agad.
Mangat na agad. So parang hindi niya napapakinggan kasi inisip niya na-judge na siya.
Oo.
Ako naman minsan pagka sasabihan man ako kung sakaling ganyan, I prefer na sasabihin na sa akin na, uy wait, sa totoo lang ha, medyo offensive pero ito kasi yung naramdaman ko towards ganyan. Parang mas okay sa akin maging direct to the point na masasaktan mo ko.
Yeah.
Kasi sasabihin mo na no offense meant ha, pero ganito
True.
ganyan. Ang sakit-sakit sinasabi.
Or some people, they ask about, kumusta ka kahapon? Parang gano'n. Parang they ask, parang,
Alam mo na
they
eh.
probe.
Oo.
Kasi kapag, if you were like annoyed or broken-hearted, or parang, do you have an issue with her? Kasi bakit nasabi mo yung gano'n? O parang mga gano'n.
that's
At least
very
there's an
nice.
investigation there.
I'm
Parang
learning
ganun.
a lot.
Yeah, I think when it
Recently.
comes to naman, parang it's a learning, parang we're all, ano ba tawag dito? Ano ba tawag doon? Yung parang, we're all, parang, hindi ko na masabi ko.
Doses.
Parang life is all about learning din naman.
Yeah.
So no one is perfect. Like ako kahit ano naman sabihin natin dito, sometimes 'di ba, may mga commit ka pa rin na mistakes and all. But self-awareness is one. And be with people who are going to be really really honest with you.
Yeah, that's the power
May
of
habol sana
conversation.
akong question eh. Yung mag-improve ka dahil sa sinabi sa'yo o na-realize mo. So which one is better?
Both. Kasi some people naman hindi na-realize until may nagsabi sa kanila. So I think it works both ways. Some people hindi nila na-realize na may mali sila nagagawa until i-call out sila. That's why
Yes.
calling out or giving feedback is really really important.
Yeah.
Oo.
And
Kailangan
self-awareness.
Yeah.
Oo,
Tsaka
kailangan
make
lang-
sure na do it nga in a nice way.
Ayun nga, kailangan natin i-practice kung paano tayo magsasalita towards people. Kasi parang how the way we say it, parang mas madali siyang i-digest
Correct,
kapag
yeah.
it's in a nice way.
And be gentle din to yourself. How you would talk to your friend to give feedback is how you should talk to yourself as well.
Yeah.
Don't punish yourself too much na parang you're bad o kaya naman nag-self-pity ka na dyan or whatever. Be gentle to yourself. So I again, thank you, Jazz, for tuning in.
Thank you,
It has been a very, very,
Jazz.
very pleasant
Yeah.
episode kasi we've learned a
Thank
lot.
you.
I'm learning a lot
Next
here.
time not, may pseudonym ka na daw.
Yeah. See you, Zara and Waki. So
Yeah.
again, our hosts for today. Thank you guys for tuning in to Millennial TV. Don't forget to catch us every Sunday, 8 p.m. Right?
Yes, here on Golden Nation Network, Channel 1 on GSAT, and Channel 73 on Sky Cable. And also follow us on our social media accounts, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Just search for GNN Millennial TV. See you guys again next week. And join us here on
Millennial TV. This is our time.